We are starting with question number 5 of exercise 8.2. Okay, yesterday we completed 8.2, question number 4. Today we are starting 8.2, exercise question number 5. Read the question first and foremost. What is written? Find the whole quantity if. whole quantity मतलब पूरा का पूरा पता लगाओ. Okay, कि पूरा का पूरा कितना है. If 5% of it मतलब whole quantity, 5% of it is 600. Now we don't know this, so let's assume it as x. Okay, so we just write this statement in the mathematical expression. How? 5% of it yani x, that we don't know, is means equals to 600. That means we have to solve this. Now 5% means 5 per 100, of means into x is equal to 600. So it is 5 into x gives us 5x upon 100 is equal to 600. Now this 100 will be transposed this side. Okay, so this is division. Here it becomes multiplication. 5x is equal to 600 into 100. Now children, this 5 will transpose to the RHS. It is in multiplication. It will become division. So x is equal to 600 into 100 upon 5. Now children, one thing I would like to tell you, आप ये दोनों एक ही स्टेप में shift कर सकते. If you want, you can shift both 100 and 5 together like this. 100 in multiplication, 5 in division. But if you are not able to do it, you may get confused, you may do something wrong. So it's better to go step by step. That is, first we shift 100, then we shift 5. Okay. Now 5 and 100 can get cancelled. Even 5 and 600 can get cancelled. So up to you what you want to cancel. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 20s are 100. Now 620 we are going to multiply. Whatever is left that we are going to write. 6 twos are gives you 12. How many zeros? 3 zeros. That means the total quantity, this it or this x is 12,000. Okay, this is your answer. This completes A. Now we do B. B is 12% of rupees 1080. Once let me check whether I have written right or not, because we are doing which question? We are doing fifth question. Okay, so again 12% means 12 per 100. Of means multiplication. 1 0 of it is rupees 1080. Of it means x is equal to 1080. Again 12 into x gives us 12x upon 100 is equal to 1080. Now this 112 will get shifted. Okay, they will be transposed to the RHS. So 100 becomes and goes in multiplication, 12 goes in division. So directly how we will do that I am going to show you now. Into 100 divided by 12. Okay, now 12 nines are 108, correct? So 12 nines are 108 and 12 zeros are 0. So 9 into 100 gives us 9,000. So whatever is left out, that we are going to write first. 90 into 100, that is 9,000. It was rupees. Okay, so this it is what? 9,000. Now see, we have to start. 40% of it is 500 kilometers. 40% of it is 500 km. 40% means 40 per 100 40x upon 100 is equal to 500. Correct? Now we are going to transpose what? 40 and 100 to the RHS. So 100 goes in multiplication, 40 goes in division directly. How we are going to write? 500 into 100 upon 40. Okay? So now we are going to divide. 4 tens are 40, 4 25s are 100. Okay, now this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. So whatever is left, that we will write. 5 is left, 50 is left, sorry, and 25. So x is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, and this 0. This is what? Kilometers. So the value of x is what? 1250 kilometers. This completes C. Now we do D. 70% of it. Of it is 14 minutes. So again we write the mathematical solution for it. 70 per 100 of x is equal to 14. Okay, of means multiplication. So 70 into x is equal to 14. 70 into x, 70x upon 100 is equal to 14. Again children, we are going to transpose 70 and 100 to the RHS. So, x is equal to 14 into 100 upon 70. 0 and 0 got cancelled. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. Now 2 into 10 is left. So x is equal to 2 into 10, which is equal to 20 minutes. This completes D. Yeah. Now there is E also. I thought this is the last question. We have to start E also, children. We are going to complete E now. 8% of it is 40 liters. This is E. 8% of it is 40 liters. Again, we give it a mathematical term, that is 8 upon 100 of x is equal to 40. That is 8 upon 100 into x is equal to 40. Then 8x upon 100 is equal to 40. Now we are going to transpose 100 and 8. 100 goes in multiplication, 8 goes in division. Why is it so? क्योंकि 100 यहाँ पे division में है, तो वहाँ जाएगा तो उसका sign change हो जाएगा. Division will become multiplication. Multiplication will become division. So x is equal to 40 into 100 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. X is equal to 5 into 100. So x is equal to 500 liters. This completes question number 5. Now we will continue question number 6. So, question number 6 says, convert the given percents to decimal fractions and also to its simplest form. Simplest form means we have to make them small. Divide them by their common factors. So, forms. 25%. 25% means 25 per 100. Yes. So now you convert it into its fractional form. Means decimal form, also to its simplest form. Also two fractions in its simplest form. Okay, so first we converted into decimal, then we converted into fractional form. Simplest form, I mean to say. So now, how many digits here, children? 1, 2. That means there should be 2 decimal places after the point. Okay, so 2 decimal places means we have 1, 2. So this decimal will come where? Here. So this is the decimal form. Now we do the simplest form. Both are divisible by 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. So answer is 1 by 4. So you have two answers here. 0.25 and 1 by 4. Okay. So what to do? First convert into fraction, then fraction to decimal and fraction to simplest form. Okay. So this is how we are going to do it. Then we start with B. B is what? 150%. 150% means 150 per 100. How many zeros? 1, 2. So again 2 places. 1, 2. So decimal will come here. So it is 1.50. Okay. Now what to do? We have to convert it into its simplest form. So again, once again we write 150 upon 100 and we cut down the zeros. We can do this here also, children, no problem. Now both will be divisible by 5. So 3 by 2. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So 3 by 2. So what is your answer? Your answer is 1.50 and 3 by 2. Then we start with C. 20%. Okay, 20% we converted into fraction, that is 20 per 100. 20 per 100. Now we need to convert it into decimal. How many zeros? 1, 2. 2 zeros. So 2 decimal places. Okay. 0.20. Okay. Now we convert it into its simplest form. Okay. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. So 1 by 5. Answer is equal to 0.20 and 1 by 5. This completes C. Then we do D. 5%. That is 5 by 100. 2 zeros. That means we need 2 decimal places. We have only 1. So for another we put a 0. So 0.05. Now we convert this 5 by 100 into its simplest form. 5 ones are 5. 5 20s are 100. So 1 by 20. So what are your answers? 0.05 and